Hello mga guys, first workout, skipping without rope. Place your arms over your side and pretend to hold a skipping rope handle in each hand. Jump and alternately land on the balls of your feet, rotating your wrist at the same time as if you were spinning a rope. Second workout, slow mountain climber. Start in the post position. Bend your left knee toward your chest and keep your right leg straight. Then go back to the starting position slowly and switch for the other leg. Third workout, cross-chant twist. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet lifted a little bit and back lifted backward. Then hold your hands together and twist from side to side. Fourth workout, crunch kicks. Lie on your back with your arms at your side and shoulder slightly lifted. Raise your legs off the floor. Bend your knees and pull them toward your chest. Kick your feet forward and repeat it. Five workout, flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your arms at your side. Lift your legs and keep them as straight as you can. Then quickly raise your right leg up and simultaneously lower your left legs. Switch your legs and repeat. 6 workup. Straight arms plank. Start in the post-up position but keep your arms straight. This exercise strengthening your abdomen and back muscles. Seven workout. Starfish crunch. Lie on your back with your hands. Stretch out your side. Keep your legs apart with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Raise your leg up. Slightly lift your shoulder off the floor and reach your right hands to touch the left foot. Return to the starting position and repeat with the other side. Workup. Plank. Lie on the floor with your toes and forearms on the ground. Keep your body straight and hold this position as long as you can. This exercise strengthening the abdomen, back, and shoulder. Nine workup. Slow mountain climber. Start in the post-up position. Bend your left knee towards your chest and keep your right leg straight. Then go back to the start position and slowly switch to the other leg. Ten workup. Russian twist. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet lifted a little bit and back lifted backwards. Then hold your hands together and twist from side to side. Eleven workup. Front kicks. Lie on your back with your arms on your side and shoulders slightly lifted. Raise your legs off the floor. Bend your knees and put them towards your chest. Kick your feet forward and repeat it. Workout. Platter kicks. Lie on your back with your arms at your side. Lift your legs and keep them as straight as you can. Then, quickly raise your right leg up and simultaneously lower your left leg. Switch your legs and repeat. Next, workout 13. Bicycle crunches. Lie on the floor with your hands behind your ears. Raise your knees and close your right elbow towards your left knee. Then close your left elbow towards your right knee. Repeat the exercise. Next workout, number 14. Straight arms plank. Start in the post-up position, but keep your arms straight. This exercise is strengthening your abdomen and back muscles.